In 1981, Ron Barry, Tom Kipling, and Jack Hunter decided to launch their own brokerage, which is the Merit Insurance Brokers we know today. Ron continues to operate as the president of Merit Insurance and does so with a sense of integrity, passion, and empathy.
How does Ron support the Merit family culture? Simple. Ron knows the importance of family and being there for one another. Aside from leaving his office door open, he leaves his home open to Merit functions, having you over for a White Russian, even allowing you to use his property to host your own wedding. It's the little things like this that keep the Merit family culture alive, and we can't thank Ron enough.
Hi Ron, just wanted to take a couple of seconds to wish you all the best on celebrating your 50th year in the insurance industry, but I also wanted to personally thank you for the more than 35 years of friendship to not only myself, but the entire Morrissey family, from weddings and parties and other events that have been hosted out at Safari. Memories we will treasure forever. Thanks again and all the best.
There is a story about Ron and how he was hired. He had a job interview with Tom Kipling. He was late for the interview, and Tom, being a retired RCMP officer, was used to a very strict schedule for lunch. When Ron arrived, he was told he was late and he would have to reschedule. He politely replied that he had driven all the way back for the interview. I think he was working in Sudbury at the time, and he asked if he could wait in Tom's office. While he was waiting, he decided he could do some work and maybe close some claims that he was working on. Tom eventually returned from lunch, and in his office, he sees Ron sitting behind the desk on the phone with his feet up on the desk, settling his claims with his current employer. The only thing that was missing was the cigar. When Tom tried to ask him what he was doing, he held up his hand and told him to wait a second as he was on the phone closing a claim. Tom must have been impressed with his arrogance as he hired him, and the rest is history. Tom and Ron went on to be branch managers, and even though both have different management styles, they went on to make a great team, and the rest is history.
Favorite memory of Ron was back in 1999. I was coaching this novice house league team with a bunch of 8-year-olds. I dragged this guy in to help me out, and we were the Merit Insurance Bruins. Had no idea who Merit Insurance was at the time, but little did I know it was going to be a big part of our lives, especially mine. So anyway, we taught the kids, we learned the kids, took the kids to the championship, and this fellow walked by and he says, "Congratulations, coach." And that was Ron. I thought it was the coolest thing for a sponsor of a little kids hockey team to come to the championship game and wish us well. That's my favorite memory of Ron.
Well, Ronald, I don't know what to say. It's been a lot of years, you and Maria, but you're one heck of a person, an honest person, a generous person, and a great friend. Happy birthday, big fella, for everything you've done for me to help me with Merit to achieve my life goal. Thumbs up, buddy.
Working with Ron is the greatest. What makes Ron a great boss is that he's not a boss. As much as Merit is a business, it's a family first, I feel. And at the heart of every family, it's a good dad. Ron's the best dad. So happy anniversary. We love you, Dad.
Ron's best characteristic has got to be his sense of humor. You could have like the worst day with like your personal life or with clients, and Ron will just come in and do one of his wisecrack one-liners and lift your spirits and make you know that the day is going to get better or tomorrow's are going to be a better day. But yeah, definitely a sense of humor.
Ron, congratulations on your 50-year anniversary. Such an amazing milestone. One of the things I love most about Merit is the culture, the family feel, and how we operate with integrity. And I know you've been an integral part of shaping Merit and what it is today. So I just wanted to thank you for that. As a younger broker, relatively green in the industry, I'd love to hear your stories and to kind of learn about how the industry's evolved, changed, cycles. You have a lot of insight and wisdom that a young broker like myself can learn from. And I'm so grateful that you share that with us. I'm excited to carry those values and traditions forward and be a part of the Merit family for a long time. So congrats again, Ron, on that amazing accomplishment. Wish you all the best.
It was April 1997 when I first met Ron. 5 months earlier, I had just been given the opportunity to command the economical operation in Toronto. Noel Walpole decided, our CEO, that he wanted to have a gathering of the Eagles and that he wanted to bring together all of the executive and 12 or so of our best brokers with their wives. And that meeting was going to be held at the Southampton Princess in Bermuda. Well, my wife, Joanna, was extremely reluctant to go. She had been diagnosed a few months earlier with breast cancer and was in the middle of chemotherapy and just beginning to lose her hair. But she need not have worried, because Maria Barry took her under her wing and made her feel extremely comfortable. Ron, on the other side, decided to take me under his wing. And following the first night's gala dinner, we spent the rest of the evening and night on his balcony, solving the world's problems, while he drank Black Russians and I drank gin and tonics. We discovered that we have very divergent interests and very divergent lifestyles. But having said that, we also discovered that we had a common shared value system. And as a result of that value system, 5 to 6 years later, I decided to join Merit. And I have not looked back since then. So Ronnie, congratulations on 50 wonderful years. Take care.
Ron is a great leader because of his knowledge of the insurance industry, his willingness to help everyone, his compassion, his big heart. Thank you, Ron, so much for being such a great leader to Merit for all these years.
Happy anniversary, Ron. You are an inspiration to all of us. Love you lots.
Ron is a man of his words. Not only has he supported his Merit family, but he's built a relationship with the insurance industry with honesty and integrity. Happy anniversary, Ron.
I've been working with Ron for over 30 years, and Ron has been like a mentor and an amazing friend. And when I think back to in the earlier days when we first started working together, Ron would create these amazing days that, although we did work hard, he would also lighten the mood, and we'd sometimes go for lunch, and his choice would be Chuck E. Cheese. And my favorite memory is him jumping on the motorcycle. We'd wait till all the kids left and then took over, and he would jump on the motorcycle and ride it. So that's sort of how Ron has run the company and injected every day with a ton of fun by keeping that child in him and all of us alive.
Congratulations, Ron. Thank you for being such a great leader and being very supportive. Happy 50th anniversary.
Congratulations on this very impressive anniversary. It has been a great ride working with you and Merit Insurance for the last 26 years.
Holy cow, Ron, 50 years. What an accomplishment. And I've had the pleasure of working with you for most of my 40-year career. But on a personal note, I want to say thank you for always standing by me and encouraging me to go outside of my comfort zone. You gave me the confidence to believe in myself, and I don't know if I'd be the person I am today without your love and support. Thanks for believing in me and always being there for me both professionally and personally. You know, I look around at the Merit team and we really got to be proud. We've got long-time dedicated people who are loyal and committed to Merit and the Merit way. We've been to their weddings, we've watched them have babies, we've watched their babies grow up, and some of them work for Merit Insurance Brokers. And now they're having their babies. We're a big part of their family, they're a big part of our family, which makes us a true Merit family. You know, one thing I've always admired about you is that you have always stayed true to your core values, and sometimes criticized for that. But that has made us stand out above the rest and has made us a successful and well-respected firm that we are today. You know, you once said, I don't have to be liked, but there has to be respect. Well, Ron, you are respected. You're respected by your friends, your business colleagues, your family, your Merit family, but especially by me. Thank you for all your dedication and hard work. We love you.